So this is how to put the stitches back on your needle, and if you don't pull them, they should just nice and neatly go back on your needle. So yeah, it can be a little bit tricky, especially if you're looking for a video rather than having it on your lap. The other thing to remember is the stitch. So this is your stitch, and you want to come in, so then this leg, so as you're looking at it, the right leg is at the front and the left leg is at the back. So that is what I call a leg. So that is the correct way to do it on your needle. Now, if it is a bit tricky and you think it's gonna come undone, then go in that way and then just twist it back on the right way when you get there. Now you can be really good and count how many you need on each needle, or you can just put them on. So let's and then distribute them afterwards. But 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here you go. So yeah, it can be tricky, and you just take your time, but that's how you put the stitches back on. There we go. And then we get the next needle and we'll do the next ones. Now I'm going to just put these on quickly. So that one wasn't on the right way. So like I say, you look at it, that's the first bit of the stitch and that's the second bit, and you want to come in behind, I call it a leg, but behind the leg, so they're on the right way on your needles. And you just hold your thumb underneath it, and then Lana is whining. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's because she wants to get involved. Like I said, if you watch my other vlogs, this is all unedited. Okay.